What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Ham Shack. My name is Frank. My call sign is WX5FWT. So I figured I would throw a little bit of a Skywarn video up. Right now, it's the reason I call it Skywarn. Really, it's just a. Let me turn this down for a minute. We've got a bad windstorm here. I'm getting gusts up to 40. These guys are telling me they're getting gusts up in the 50s. So, yeah, it's not appropriate net, but we are just on there rag chewing and talking about it. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me see if I can chime in. WX5FWT on channel. Oh, I walked on somebody. So I'm on the Swera link.
Las Vegas murders thing going on.
I'm on the Swera. www.swra.link. Swera.link. It's a really awesome setup. It is a series of repeaters set up all across, all across southwest Oklahoma, and it's Skywarn repeaters. It's backed by Skywarn system, and the guy that has these, the group of people that have these is very, very well appreciated, even if they don't know it, because this guy that you guys just heard, he is up in central Oklahoma. I want to say around the El Reno area, and I'm way down southwest Oklahoma, and this is on 2 meter. So let me try to jump in real quick. WX5FWT. It's another downfall. You got to wait on all the repeaters to drop. Hi, Delbert. How you doing up there?
Well, just sitting here and now the wind, it's blowing good.
Yeah, we've got a gust up to 38 down here in Ryan, and it's knocked power out a few times up here. So there's no telling how much longer I'm going to have power. It only knocks it out for a few minutes, but or a few seconds, and it comes right back up. But I've got my HT set up with pager channels in case I got to go on a fire.
Yeah, well, I guess you heard Terry there a while ago. He's got a weather station over there, and he was registered 54 there a little bit ago. And we got bukus of fires up in this area.
Yeah, this is not good timing for this stuff. We've got extreme fire danger, well, high fire danger down here right now. The humidity outside is about 60%, so it's pretty high fire danger tonight, especially with this wind. Makes it a lot worse.
Yeah, well, we got multiple fires up here around my area. They had two over by Fort Cobb Lake, and but they got them before they got too big. And there's a big one over by Carnegie. I don't know where all, but anyway, I've been trying to keep up with, can't keep up with them. There's many of them. I think every little fire department in this county, and probably Comanche County too, is out.
Yeah. Well, I'll be on the radio here, so if anything changes, we'll be here listening. If you guys need anything, just I'll be right here at WX5FWT. So.
Well, you go out there and put out one or two of these fires, I'd help, or slow the wind down, but I don't think that wind's supposed to slow down tonight. What they say is going to blow all night.
I love talking to
right
this guy.
here, and they claim we'll probably get some fixed it before it's over. KB50CQ, later.
Delbert, I'd love to help. All they got to do is tone out our pagers. Y'all have a good evening. I'll be right here monitoring WX5FWT. So that is a pretty good little system that they have set up. It's the Swear Link. I don't know how good you guys could hear that. I don't have my lav mic. It's been a while since I've made YouTube videos because of work and everything. But it's a pretty cool setup that we've got. He's up in El Reno area, I believe. And he was just telling me that there's several fires up in the Carnegie area, which is a good 45 minutes to an hour away from me. Actually, you know, it's closer to about an hour and a half away from me. So it's quite a ways away. And this setup that we've got is pretty awesome. I know a lot of ham clubs link up repeaters to other counties and other clubs during practice nets on their weekly practice net, which is really awesome. And in fact, the club that I'm a part of does the same thing. We link up our repeater system from Montague County, Texas, over to Clay County, Texas, which is for me right there. I mean, right out that door. I live up on the river, so yeah, it's been a pretty difficult night as far as me. I'm surprised I haven't. I was going to turn the computer on, and as soon as I reached down to hit the monitor power or the tower power button, the power went off again. So I'm surprised it hasn't gone off again. But that's going to do it for this one real quick. I'm about to throw up a couple of more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe, and have a good night. 73 WX5 FWT clear.